Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unveiling and unwrapping of a Tory Burch Continental zip metallic wallet called Georgia. And if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to be unboxing a wallet that I got from Tory Burch. I'm super excited about it. This is the way that your receipt statement comes. It's so classy. So awesome. Thank you, Tory. So this is going to be the Georgia Metallic Zip Continental wallet. I have the same exact wallet in a turquoise blue for summer, and I have loved it for so many years that I wanted one for wintertime. Now, this is my Louis Vuitton purse, and I've been using a small Tory wallet, which is more like a half-size wallet, and for me, I'd like a larger one for the winter months to fit into this purse. So let me show you what it looks like when you get your box. So you get a really beautiful presentation with a gold foil stamp and a really nice note card from Tory Burch that says thank you. We hope that you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. And I always have a feeling that I'll always love it. So it's in a really cool wrapping, which is really nice. And the gift wrapping is complimentary, which is really nice, especially if you're giving it to someone special. So this is what the pouch looks like. Is that pretty or what? This metallic, it's a rose gold. It has this little sticker. Oh, look at that gold. It is so, so pretty. So when you unzip this, it's got a little leatherette tag pull here. And then when you open it up, it has all these slots for your credit cards, cash on either side, and then change in the middle, which I truly love that being in the middle, and I'll show you why. The current wallet that I have is more of like a half wallet, which is wonderful for small, tiny little purses for the summertime. But what happens is my change gets stuck right here and it falls all over the store floor. So that can be tough. And plus, I really don't like the look of my cards being exposed, but you have to sacrifice some of your space for a smaller purse. So I'm really excited to use this new wallet for travel and everyday use. And I'm pretty hard on everything that I use because I'm always in such a hurry that I'm quickly trying to access my driver's license, credit cards, money and whatnot. So I feel like it's going to be really scratch resistant because of this finish, which is more of like a pebbled leather, which I like a whole bunch because it's not super, super smooth. But it feels good to the touch, and it'll be hopefully my new favorite. I cannot wait to try it. So I'll be doing a lot more unveiling of other fun things soon. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.